Mahatma Gandhi. Good morning to everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Adi. Today I like to talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has added the name Mahatma due to the work. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu. He was the biggest and great patriotic in India. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi's sacrifice, peace, and non-violence. After completing the matriculation, he went to London for further studies. Non-violence is the main weapon of Gandhi against independence. He inspired civil rights and freedom across the world. So, 15 June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly voted to establish 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi has done his law in England and returned to India in 1893. Gandhi always believes that the education is the most powerful weapon in this world for the new generation to achieve fundamental rights. After his degree, he started his career as a lawyer. The social life of Mahatma Gandhi began in South Africa and he faced many problems. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The future depends on what you do today. We can't predict our future, but we can take a step today." Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915. He did so many movements and became very popular as a father of the nation. Many times he was insulted and tortured by white men because the white men were threatening bad of the black man, means Indian. He was very popular and his reputation increases so much. Therefore, he was known and popular as a leading Indian nationalist. Then he became a member of the Indian National Congress. He joined Gokhale's group. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is considered as the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. As a part of the independence struggle, Gandhi launched many important movements such as Kheda Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha, Salt Satyagraha, non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and Quit India movement. Many leaders got so much inspiration from the struggle of Mahatma Gandhi. The lifestyle of Gandhiji was very simple. In 1921, Gandhi started to use Indian dhoti and shawl woven with yarn by using hand. The Indian spinning wheel shone as sign of the India's rural poor. He ate simple vegetarian food. The Nelson Mandela also influenced from the freedom struggle of Gandhiji. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat in New Delhi. The Prime Minister and the President of India gathered here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to Gandhi's Samadhi and sung his favorite song. Once upon a meeting, Gandhi was asked to give a message to people of India. My life is my message. He is trying to spread truth and non-violence to Indian people. His life was an inspiration for all Indians. Give a big salute to our national father. M.K. Gandhi died on January 13, 1948. Godse shooted Gandhi when he was getting from Birla House prayer in New Delhi. Words is not enough to explain Gandhi's sacrifice and values. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you.